Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm still here working on my marathon of junk journals. So today I'm working on stickers. So I've got this 2-inch by 7-inch little strip of paper, and I've used one of my stamps and just stamped leaves all over it. And I used coffee archival ink as opposed to black, just so it wouldn't be as pronounced as the black. So now, and I apologize, I've got glue all over my fingers. I've got this strip of washi tape, and I'm just going to tear it kind of sort of down the middle, but I am tearing it, so it's not going to be super even, and I'm fine with that. In fact, I don't really want it to be super even. And I'm going to take half of it, get this down here where I can see it, half of it, and put it at the top edge of my strip, and the other half at the bottom edge of my strip. And I'm just using this washi tape to give a little added something to these paper clips, which is what this will be. I'm not sure if I ever said that. My brain is just about gone. I think next time I take on a project like this, and I plan to do more for the Christmas and winter season. Okay, now I'm going to take my strip and fold it in half, and then I'll get back to what I think I've learned. It's my bone folder. I'm going to round my corners. And okay. Paper clip. I know I pulled out a paper clip. Okay, I don't know where. Well, let's just pull out another paper clip. Okay, and now for the sticker part, I've got, well, did have these stickers that have words on them in orange. This one says joy. And because it is such a short word, I'm going to put these little leaves with it. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is put my paper clip here and grab some Fabri-Tac. And glue this down. I want to get around the paper clip really well. And of course you could use your hot glue gun, use anything you want to do this. If you use your hot glue gun, be careful because the paper clip will get hot. And then I'm just going to, and I put the long edge of the paper clip inside and left the short edge on the outside. And this will be a side paper clip going like that. So that is the last of all my paper clips. So I've got 16 of them done. I haven't forgotten about telling you what I've learned. So I've got 16 paper clips done like that. And it worked out perfectly because there were exactly 16 words. Actually, there were 8. They were repeated 2 times with leaves that I was able to use on joy. So that worked. It was a 2-page sticker pack, and that I'd gotten at Target. I don't know how long ago. So really it could count as my hoarded items. I think I say that about just about everything I use. Okay, so that one is done. So very simple paper clip. Now I'm going to move on to a journal card, and here I've used some of the scrapbook paper, same scrapbook paper that I used to make the covers. And I've got a piece of cream colored paper that I used my tear ruler to decal the edges. Then I stamped a squirrel and a few leaves on it. And I'm going to glue this down onto the cardstock. Okay, so back to what I think I've learned. Is I love doing this, but 16 at one time is too many, even in assembly line fashion. Although assembly line fashion does make it go much faster, I start finding it tedious. And I don't like finding things tedious. So I think when I do this again for my next round of things, I will do like batches of 5. And not everything I do is going to be a full-fledged journal like these are. But I want, like I said, the holidays are difficult for a lot of people in the best of years. And this year, I think we may find that we have more people in need of a, I'm going to call it in need of a hug, just in need of a nice, something nice, something to make them smile. Even if they don't journal, won't use it, maybe it'll make them smile just to look through it. And that's really all I care about. Okay. So now I'm going to take some of this lace trim and put it across the top there. And I'm using my art glitter glue to lay this lace down. It will hold it to this paper just fine, and I don't want the, Fabri-Tac can be kind of shiny, and I don't want that shiny to show through on this, where this will dry a clear matte. Okay, so got that. Now, I made several little bows, just using fabric scraps, and let's see if I can find another scrap of fabric. No, I've got some. I was looking for kind of a small piece. I just ruffled it like that, kind of twisted it a little bit, and wrapped some of my binding thread around it. So nothing fancy at all, just to create a little bow to give it a little interest. So that one's a little long. I'm going to have to work with that one. Let's just use this one, Autumn Splendor. I think we'll put that there, and then I've got the stickers that I believe will go down in this corner. Okay. So, yeah, I keep going back and forth about which glue I want to use now. Okay. Now for this one, I am going to use, whoa, my Fabri-Tac is trying to explode. Okay, for this one, I am going to use the Fabri-Tac. Since it will be on the back and will not show. Just put a little word on there. And we'll put some glue on the back of the bow. Let that dry. And now I have enough stickers to give each one a little acorn. Oops. And a leaf. And that is my simple little journaling card. Now, much to your surprise, I'm actually not going to sew around these. There may still be some things that I do that I want or feel the need to sew around. This is not one of them, and so I'm not going to spend my time doing that. So there's my 2 sticker items, and when I finish with these, I haven't finished all of these yet. I did do this one, but the rest of them are still in process. But I was kind of getting my mojo going on the assembly line thing, and I thought, oh wait, I don't want to get too far without turning the camera on. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.